day 2 with the EOS R50V. This camera, I'm not gonna lie, it's super capable, super light. The quality of footage we are getting off of it is just blowing my mind. But today we are here in Port Blair. We are taking 3 boats. We are going out to sea, and we are just going to create the most insane content. So stick around if you want to see what that looks like. Tay I is going to be on the R50V capturing all that juicy BTS. Boom! Basically what we're doing is we're going to have to put the boats in like a diamond formation. So obviously the biggest boat being in the front, and then the other 2 boats on the side. And then yeah, gonna do some top-down shots. We're gonna get into the shallow water and get a whole bunch of stuff. So I think
let's see how this goes.
Let's see how this goes.
I'm excited to see how this goes, to get all 3 boats.
It'll happen. Because why? Because we're the best. Okay.
Oh God.
You will. Oh, here we go. Dondala with Mr. Rama. He'll hit you with some chili powder.
से जाएगा आगे, उसके बाद सीधा टर्न करेगा, थोड़े किनारे से आके।
Planning the stunts. Look at this. These shots. This is why we do what we do. It's for this. We are in the middle of the Andaman Islands with 3 boats, drone, islands, crystal turquoise water. How's your day doing? Having a good day at the office? The office here looks office here, but top office.
Go straight forward.
And that is how you come up with an idea, go out there, execute it. Man, oh man. I'm just gonna roll the drone shots.